Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in tool reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for any serious chainsaw user: the 4PAX 18-inch chainsaw chain by Fifchall. If you're looking for a reliable replacement chain that balances performance and durability, stay tuned because we've got all the details covered. This chainsaw chain stands out in the market for its 18-inch length. Perfect for a range of chainsaw models including Husqvarna, Echo, and Craftsman. It features a 3x8 pitch and .050 gauge with 62 drive links, ensuring a precise fit for compatible saws. Whether you're tackling routine maintenance or heavy-duty cutting tasks, this chain promises smooth operation with minimal kickback. Let's talk about what makes this chain a standout choice. Firstly, it's engineered for low kickback, which enhances safety and control during use. The hardened rivets and durable chrome outer layer ensure longevity and reduced wear over time, making it a reliable companion for your chainsaw needs. Users have reported smooth cutting performance, thanks to its low vibration design that reduces fatigue during prolonged use. Whether you're a homeowner tackling backyard projects or a professional landscaper, this chain is designed to meet ANSI standards for kickback performance, ensuring both safety and efficiency. Wondering if this chain fits your saw? It's compatible with a wide range of models including McCulloch, Poulan, Remington, and more. Just ensure it matches your saw's specifications in terms of chain length and drive links before purchase. Although some have noted varying durability over time, the majority praise its cutting performance and overall reliability. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a top-notch replacement chainsaw chain, the 4PAX 18-inch chainsaw chain by Fifchall is a solid contender. With its blend of performance, durability, and user-friendly design, it's no surprise it's a popular choice among DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.